hearts and minds are kind of bringing in such a wide group of organisations from across the country and together and individually kind of making that system change that's needed.
It's great to be here today, making new connections through the partnership with people who I've connected with online that I've never had a chance to meet in person. So that's really great.
It's really good looking around the room and seeing the different experiences, the different backgrounds that people have come from, all using, lived experience at the heart of what they do.
From its very beginning, it felt like it's been a kind of a kind and welcoming environment.
What Hearts and Minds have done have really connected us and brought us together to have these conversations. I just found their approach really resonated, like this is really inclusive.
Warmth comes up for me, authenticity comes up for me. I think it's a really clear part of the Hearts and Minds ethos, really putting meaning behind words and sentiments.
Today, I've kind of met some really interesting organisations who are definitely going to be reaching out.
I'm here with a colleague, so it was really nice to be able to have that time and space together. And I'm really grateful that there was that opportunity for organisations to be able to send a couple of people.
I think Hearts and Minds really articulates what good care, what good perinatal services look like.
I feel like part of a community, like I do have a space I can reach out and pick up the phone and speak to somebody from another organisation I've connected with. So it's allowed that space, so the feeling is like of community.
It feels like it takes the very best of corporate spaces and the very best of the VCSE sector and scoops them together.
Yes, I've definitely made new relationships today and through other work with the partnership, and really got to see a range of services.
A lot of people said, oh, actually, it's just so nice to come and have a conversation because you might think differently about certain things. But when you sit down and you talk over things, you think, actually, there's so much we have in common. We just want to support parents in the best way that we can do.